23 ABC's Digital Update is brought to you by West Medical.
Good evening. I'm Keely Van Middendorp. Here's what's making headlines from across the county. The latest COVID-19 data here in Kern County was released. Public Health says we've lost one more person to the virus. That marks 1,407 total deaths here in Kern since the pandemic started. Public Health officials say there were 11 new cases of the virus today. New infections have remained low over the last few months as more testing sites close and more people get vaccinated. There are more than 111,000 total infections in Kern County. Now to an update on the Shell Fire. Fire officials say they are making progress tonight. CAL FIRE says containment is now at roughly 85%. The Shell Fire remains at just below 2,000 acres in size and is still burning on the north end of the Grapevine. Fire officials have not reported any injuries or deaths related to the fire. And it's important to remember that fireworks can be harmful to people with PTSD and even animals on the 4th of July. If you see people setting off fireworks illegally, it's important to report them. And if you've got fireworks in your home that you're not supposed to, you now have a chance to turn them in, no questions asked. You can bring those to the Bakersfield Fire Department Station number 1 any day leading up to the 4th of July. Someone will be there to accept them from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m.
Very hot for us today. 105 your high temperature in Bakersfield, the hottest day that we've had so far this week. I guess the week's not all that old though, but definitely warmer than yesterday. A big increase in temperatures because we had a little more sunshine. Not quite as warm tomorrow, but still hot. 102 in Bakersfield. That's cooling trend, but it's still well above average for this time of year, and our heat wave definitely still continuing and could potentially continue for each of the next 7 days. The coolest we're looking at is, I think, right around 100 by the time we get to the 4th of July. So it's possible that we break out of the heat wave there, but it's definitely not a guarantee. We are going to be very warm through the extended forecast here, and really countywide we see that trend. Temperatures hovering right around 100 for Lake Isabella and right around 90 for the South Mountains.
And that's your latest news and weather update. For the latest update anytime, be sure to head to our website, turn23.com.